How you doing, everybody? Chris Bruce here, Mr. Real Estate Swag, founder of the top-rated podcast, Escaping the REI Newbie Zone. Been investing in real estate for 8 years now, going on 9, as well as the best-selling author of the book, Escape the REI Newbie Zone. Today is a special day. All right, today is Flipping House Friday. It's my favorite day. We're going to the closing, and I'm going to take you inside of the closing. I actually decided to go ahead and wire the funds out into my bank account because I got to pay my acquisition guy and stuff like that. So we got the funds wired, but I'm still going to take you inside the title company so that way you can see me pick up my HUD documents, close the documents, sign everything, and let you meet my title lady. And just kind of see inside of how the closing goes. All right, everything has already been sent off. The buyer's already wired the funds and everything. But I just want to still take you inside the title company and show you again that this business is real. All right, this is a follow-up to the second video of the house that I showed you inside the property where we were going to make $10,000. Now, what I want to talk about is that there's a few things that happen, and there's one good thing about when you negotiate deals that have a very good profit margin. The unexpected expenses can come into play. However, you can still be prepared that when those unexpected expenses come in, it still won't totally, jack your profit up. So what am I talking about? Well, it just so happens that on this deal, we had the seller requesting for us to pay the taxes on the property because they were due this month and he didn't want to pay them, which is understandable. That happens. We also had the realtor who brought us the buyer on this deal. Okay, since he brought us the buyer on this deal, we did agree to pay the buyer, the realtor, 3%. So that knocked our $10,000 profit down to about $7,200. But hey, $7,200, again, we got this lead from a cold call, which we didn't spend any money on marketing for. So you can't beat that, right? So what I'm gonna do right now is we're gonna walk into this title company. You're gonna meet my title lady, Barbara, and we're gonna talk a little bit more about this closing and continue on. All right, so let's go ahead. You're gonna follow me. Let's go ahead and walk to this title company. All right, doing everybody, come on with me. We're gonna go ahead and walk into the title company again. Like I said, I already got the funds wired in, but I wanna show you live inside of a closing. If you've never been to a closing, you're gonna first see hands on what happens into that closing. Come on, walk with me.
Hi.
Everybody, this is my title lady, Barbara. She does all the closings for me.
Hello.
She makes it happen.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you. This is more lovely. Chocolates.
Yes. Bye-bye.
All right, there you have it, folks. They love me. Barbara's got everything done for me once again. That's how it goes down, guys. Title company, as you can see here, this is the HUD statement. You might be able to zoom in and see it, maybe not. But again, we pretty much netted $7,500 on the deal. So not bad. Plus, I got a free box of chocolate for the holidays. So guys, listen, you saw the 3-part training series of what it takes to get a deal done. All right, we've talked about how we use cold calling. All right, how we also apply our PAS strategy, okay, problem, agitate, solve, and how we're able to get the deal negotiated. If you would like to learn more about this strategy, if you'd like me to actually help you put together your own virtual wholesaling business where you can start to flip houses without having to physically see them, okay, there's a link below this video that's going to explain to you how you can get inside the training. All right, we have 2 options. We have an option where you can get the actual digital course. You can start online and learn step by step at your own leisure how to get started with starting your own virtual wholesaling business. Or if you would like for me and my team to put together and design some different aspects of marketing, structuring your CRM, and having some more coaching on the side of it as well too, we have another program available. But if you would like to get started, there's going to be a link below for you to get more information on that. I look forward to helping you guys all in 2018, crush your goals, totally start your whole business up and get it off the ground and take your business to the next level. All right, stay tuned. I look forward to helping you guys, and peace.